Hey guys, it's Kiran here, back to you with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at something a bit different. For the longest time, I've always wanted to grab myself a beater and see if I could actually turn it into something, well, a bit decent. But between budget and bad timing, it just never happened until now. My friend recently upgraded to a brand new Volkswagen Polo and was selling his old beater, so I did what any sane car enthusiast would have done and I bought it. Not a Porsche, not a Tesla, no, I bought this. This is a 2008 Citroën C3. The plan? Modernize it. On a budget, nothing crazy, no engine swaps. EU regulations have already killed that dream, so I'm not touching the engine. But I just want to make this thing feel like it belongs in 2025. Let's get into it. So, for context, my daily driver is a 2021 Mazda CX-5. That thing has a heads-up display, 360-degree camera, keyless entry, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, basically all the modern tech I rely on every day. So when I jumped into this little Citroën, I was honestly expecting a big relearning curve, like going back to the Stone Age. But it really surprised me, especially for a budget hatchback from 2008. Because this is the exclusive trim, it's actually packed with some surprising tech for its time. We're talking auto headlights and rain sensing wipers, features you'd normally only expect on luxury German cars back in 2008, not some quirky French hatchback. On top of that, you also get electronically foldable mirrors, cruise control, speed limiter, automatic climate control, and even a proper trip computer with range and fuel info. And since I'm used to most of the features from the Mazda like the keyless entry, the 360-degree camera and the heads-up display, those are exactly the kinds of upgrades I'd love to bring into this project car. So yeah, while it may look like some quirky little beater on the outside, in 2008 this trim was genuinely well spec'd. And now the fun part is seeing how far I can push it towards that modern daily driver feel. So this is the 2008 Citroën C3. 1.1 liter engine, no parking sensors, no camera, no touchscreen. Basically, it is as modern as a flip phone. And I don't mean the fancy Gatsby's Dead Pole kind, I mean the originals, the one that could survive being dropped 100 times. But the body's clean, kind of, it drives well, and most importantly, it is mine to mess with. So here's what I'm planning. Before we get into the big tech upgrades, first things first, the basics. So what is my goal for this project? This is not a race car, this is not a stance car, this is not even a sleeper yet. I just want this project to be a modern daily upgrade project. So the main upgrades I want to do to this car is adding reverse camera, rear parking sensors and maybe front sensors too, and add an Android Auto with a tablet setup. And the more ambitious upgrades, if I can, include a digital dashboard, wireless charging, interior ambient lighting, possibly a sound system upgrade, and maybe even keyless entry. This is one of my most missed features after Bluetooth from the new cars. Think of this as giving the C3 a 2025 glow up. Why am I doing this and not just buy a new car? Simple, this is much cheaper, and let's be honest, this is a lot more fun too. This C3, it squeaks, it rattles, it has personality, it's French, and more importantly, it's Citroën. So it's quirky by design. After all, this is the same company that gave us the 2CV. As you can see, well, the shifter knob is non-existent. Luckily, my friend did buy a replacement, he just didn't get around to installing it. So this might be an easy win after all. Well, maybe not so easy after all. And this one is just put it in. Okay, and then do this. Okay. And well, the same story for Bluetooth. He already picked up a kit, but just never got around to installing it. So this one, we'll handle it early too. So this one has this pin for the FM radio, which I believe this is the Fakra, right? So I need a DIN input for this. So I already luckily bought myself a cable for that. So for the ISO connector, they have already given me these cables, but without a clear connection diagram, I didn't want to risk trying anything. So I just got myself an ISO adapter kit. So the installation should be much more simple and faster. So this is the Fakra to DIN connector. I just connect this one like this and this one to the new FM radio. And for this one, again, very simple. Just connect this. There you go. Put this inside, the same for this. But before doing that, I do have the mounting bracket, so let's put that in place too. Okay, now all I have to do is connect my adapter to the DIN, which is over here. And okay, these cables can go inside. There we go. I just need these two, so I connect them over here. Bam. And bam. There we go. Okay, so everything is now installed and now it's the moment of truth. Let's try and see if it works. Alright. Test clock. Okay. Hello. Okay. Come on, moment of truth. Bluetooth on. Connected. There we go, yeah. The speakers are quite good too. And let me turn this off before I get copyright strike. But it works. On to the next upgrade. Wait, actually no need to rush things because 2 things fixed in 1 day is already a really good start, and that's good enough for part 1. Shifter knob done, Bluetooth working, and I've already got a tablet on the way for the Android Auto setup, and also the gear necessary for the rear camera installed. So part 2 is going to get a bit interesting. Make sure to subscribe and follow along on this C3 Globe journey. And if you have got any ideas, upgrades I should try, or maybe even just warnings, I'm all ears since this is my first project car. If this video gave you a laugh or maybe even helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell if you're into that sort of thing. And remember, you don't need a Tesla to have tech, just tools, time, and a few questionable decisions. I'll catch you guys in the next one.